Hi guys, I'm Mrs. Abel and we are going to be doing course 2 together this year. I just want to welcome you to the course. I am so glad that you're here, and I'm going to give you a quick little tour and talk about my expectations. I know that it's weird starting out not in person, and it's not how I had planned. I was hoping to do this together in class, so it's a little weird. But this is where you will find all the information for our course. So you're on Canvas and you get all our course information. If you are new to Nikiski Middle High School, first, welcome. And two, if you haven't used Canvas, I will try my best to help you out. And hopefully we can make it a smooth transition for you. So this is my home page. Whenever you go to course 2 for Mrs. Abel, this is what you will see. And this is my little fun graphic that you can access our class material. Every week on the whiteboard here will be kind of the week at a glance, or what my expectations are for you this week. Typically it's going to look like some videos that I make for you to watch for math notes. And there will be some homework assignments. I'm going to try out doing either IXL or paper. You can pick as long as they line up, but it might not always. So I'll have the homework assignments, and then I might have some other activities that we're doing this week, some extension. I might talk about what our station rotation will look like if we're in person. These first few weeks are going to be a little different because one, I can't be in person, so I have some getting to know you activities for this first week that I want you to participate in. It helps me get to know you and to be able to guide your learning. And I also have this important math video. It's a little long, but it's really important information I want you to understand about learning math. Really cool how our brain works, and I'm hoping that everyone can see that anyone can do math. You don't have to be a math person to be able to do math. So this is our kind of week at a glance. A couple things that you need to know. One, some of these things, if you hover your cursor over certain areas of this picture, you'll see that they're links. So you can click on them and it takes you places. So it will take you to our summer story Flipgrid that I want you to share a fun story from your summer. It'll take you to my life in numbers activity. This link will take you to the video, the assignment with the video that I want you to watch. Since we can't be in person, I have a Google Meet established, which is a way for you to video conference with me live. If you click on me, this is my little Bitmoji. If you click on that, it will take you to my Google Meet link. What I want you to know is we are running our schedule for the week on a Monday-Friday schedule, which means all of my classes meet. If you want to be able to get a hold of me, your best bet is to call or join my Google Meet during our normal class time. So what your normal schedule would be, if you have class third period, if you join my Google Meet during third period, I'm most likely able to help you on math at that time. It does not mean that I won't help you any other time. But there might be an occasion where during another class period, I have students from that class that I'm going to be focusing on. So please always pop in, always ask. There's no dumb questions. I want to help you. But your best bet is to join during those class times. I have 2 periods of math a day, third period and 7th period. Math students, I will help you anytime. You don't have to just show up during 7th period. But I recognize that some of you who are in third period might have another class meeting during 7th period. So I'm not combining it all to one. So let me continue. This is our home page, and it's kind of my fun way of linking activities that I want you to do, and it's going to tell you what we're doing for the week. It's not the only place to get this information. Many of you are used to modules. So on the left-hand side, if you look over here, there's modules, and if you click on that, it will bring you to maybe a more familiar look at how Canvas has typically been set up. I have this first Welcome to Course 2 module set up. There's a Start Here page, which is hopefully where you found the video if you weren't watching it in your email. I have my syllabus posted. I have the link to the summer stories. I have the link to my Life in Numbers. I have the math message video, which is the boosting math video. And then I have this IXL diagnostic component. I put all of these here so that you can access them and be familiar, but a lot of them are linked to from our homepage. Every week I will have a week at a glance posted in the module as well, so you know what to expect for the week. And if you look here at the start, where hopefully you started, you will see that I have lined out what my expectations are for this week. I want you to complete at least the first 3 activities: the summer story Flipgrid, my Life in Numbers, and the boosting math video. If you have time and you would like to start on your IXL diagnostic test, that will be the next step. We currently, as of Friday, don't have the IXL logins for students yet. So I'm getting those out. Once we get those out to you, and they will be in your Gmail, then you'll be able to start that IXL piece. IXL, I know, kind of is hit and miss with some students. Right now, while we're distance learning and I can't be in person with you, the benefit of IXL is that you don't have to do 5 problems wrong and then wait for me to tell you you did them wrong. IXL does that. And I know that some don't like it, but having that component corrects you sooner. And I don't want to waste your time. I don't want you to practice problems wrong and then have to wait for me to tell you that the way you are doing it isn't going to get you the correct answer, or the answer you're looking for. So IXL is a nice tool for that. We are going to start with a diagnostic piece, and then we're going to work on some skills that are recommended for you personally. Everyone won't be doing the same stuff. My expectation for week 2 is that you complete the diagnostic, and then you're going to spend about an hour, and this can include the diagnostic test for week 2, working on skills. Okay? We all have to get back into using our math skills. Even myself, where I don't do math, a lot of math all summer long, I have to get practicing math again. The more you practice it, the easier it is and the better that you can be at it. But it just takes practice. So we're going to start with IXL. I'm going to talk you through it more, ask questions if you have any, but that's kind of the flow for the first 2 weeks. And here again is my Google Meet link that you're able to access at any time and hop on and talk to me. I'm going to go back into modules just one more time to kind of go over the few things. This is a Flipgrid story. It takes you to a link. Make sure you log in with your Google account. That's how I set it up. So you should be able to log in with your Google account and join our Flipgrid. Please let me know if there are any issues with that. This Life in Numbers, my Life in Numbers, is an activity that I would normally give you a piece of paper in class. Oh shoot, and we can't see it because it's locked. I'll leave student view. So since normally I would give this to you in class and this would be a piece of paper that you fill out for me, we can't do that. So I came up with a couple of options. One, I posted my example here. I want you to check it out so you can learn a little about me. And 2, I found this neat program called Kami, and if you can see, I've already written on here. You can write on the assignment. I haven't accessed it from the student side yet, so we're trying this out. We're going to see how it goes. I've also posted the link to the file, so if you would like to print it out and fill it out and then take a picture and email it to me, that's another option. Okay, so please fill this out. Ask me if you have questions. We're all in this together. So I'm going to end on the home screen to just kind of refresh you. This can be one place that you get information. Know that it's going to change weekly. What my expectations are here are going to change. Some of these are live links, so you can click on me to get my Google Meet link. You can click on IXL to go to IXL. And you can click on these individual links to go to the different assignments that I have set up. And this one goes straight to Flipgrid, but these other two go to the assignments that I already showed you in Canvas. Thank you so much for watching this video. I know it's long and it's a little different. Please email me if you have questions, or you can call me 776-9448, and I'm happy to answer any questions you might have. Thank you so much, and I hope we have a wonderful year together.